All right, guys, we're looking at a nice little hole in a flex pipe. See that right there? Pretty corroded. It's already been repaired once. As you can see, they welded this piece in however many years ago. But we have another hole here now. We're going to go ahead and try to use a product that I haven't used before, that I tried using before. I really, it's something I just happen to have around, so I'm going to try it, and we're going to see if it works. It's Tiger Patch, good old Tiger Patch. Something like this, it should work perfect for. So I'm going to wrap this with aluminum tape first. You can use a beer can or you can use a soup can. They say to put around here and then wrap it with the Tiger Patch. It looks like it was hit here too with something before. Now this was running before. I'm actually surprised it cooled off pretty quickly. It's like 60 degrees right now. They really say you should do this about 70 degrees. We're going to try to rock it anyway. I'm going to wrap this with some aluminum tape quick. I can't push through it. That piece maybe. We're going to try to put a little aluminum tape here. Then we're going to wrap it with the Tiger Patch, and then we're going to run the motor and let it warm up and do its thing, all right? So I'm going to see if I can set you guys up here. Oops, sorry. As I'm underneath here. And see if we can set you up. Set you guys up to see. And I really can't see what the hell I'm doing here. Hold on. Let's try 2. We can't do that. That's not going to work. That is not going to work, folks. Oh, I really don't think I'm going to be able to do it, guys. But let's see. We're going to set this up here. And let me see if I can set it up. I'm going to have to get out. Give me a second here. Because I'm under the car. See if I can set this up for you guys to be able to watch as I attempt to do this and hope that this works. All right. Right there should be good. The light is glaring, I know. I'll try to move the light a little bit, guys, away from it so you guys can watch a little easier. And we're going to see if this works. I'm not going to run this again right now. I had it running earlier. But let's see. what I tried to use it for last time. But unbeknownst to me, I didn't realize how bad of a problem I had. But again, you guys will see that on that video. That was a funny video, actually. Did I do that again? Yes, I did. Come on, H. What are you doing? I'm just trying to... There we go. There we go. Hey, it looks like a burrito almost. All right, so here we go. Now, when I start the car, hopefully it doesn't blow this whole damn thing out. And that's it. All right, so that's that, guys. We got it in there. And I didn't move that light, did I? So you guys were probably blinded the whole damn time, but this is what it looks like now. All right, we got it all wrapped around. We put the aluminum tape to help hold it in place rather than string, and we're going to run it now. It says run for 20 minutes or drive it, so we're going to run it and let it do its thing. I'll be there. All right, initial startup. Quiet. Don't hear a damn thing. Nice and quiet, running quietly, smoothly. Let her idle now, and we'll see what's up. 20 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, once this was done, the Tiger Patch proved to not work out. You can hear a slight exhaust leak in the audio on this if I let it play. You didn't hear it in person, though. But it did quiet it down, and it ended up lasting literally a day. Once you got on it, it blew it out again. Now, again, I was asking for too much of the Tiger Patch because this is a piece of metal corrugated that sits around the actual flex pipe. So there was a hole in the flex pipe, and then there was a hole in this corrugated piece as well. So this was a fail. Again, it would probably be better to use just on a regular pipe itself. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.